Can you delete transaction on Apple Pay? 2025 method. Most people get this wrong. They think that once a transaction is made with Apple Pay, it's permanently locked in the system. But here's the surprising truth: while you cannot technically delete a transaction from Apple Pay entirely, there are ways to manage, hide, or reverse transactions depending on the situation. In this 2025 guide, we'll break down everything you need to know, step by step, so you can take control of your Apple Pay activity. Let's start with the basics. Apple Pay is a mobile payment and digital wallet service by Apple that lets you pay in stores, online, or in apps using your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. When you make a purchase, the transaction is recorded in your wallet app and reported to the linked card issuer. This means that even if you remove it from Apple Pay, your bank or credit card will still retain the record. So the first key point: you cannot delete transactions from your bank's records. This is crucial because even if Apple Pay lets you hide a transaction in the wallet app, the official record will always exist for auditing, returns, or disputes. Here's what you can do in 2025 to manage Apple Pay transactions: 1. View transactions in wallet. Open the wallet app, tap the card you used, and scroll to see your recent transactions. You can tap on each transaction to see details such as date, merchant, amount, and location. 2. Hide transactions. Some versions of iOS allow you to hide recent transactions in Wallet. Here's how. Open Wallet and select your card. Tap the three dots in the corner to access card settings. Look for options like Hide Recent Transactions. Enable it. Hidden transactions will not appear in Wallet, but your bank statement will still show them. This is useful if you want a cleaner wallet view without altering actual records. Remove cards. If you remove a card from Apple Pay, your transaction history for that card disappears from the wallet app. Steps: open Wallet, select the card, tap the three dots, and choose Remove Card. This does not delete transactions from your bank's records. It only removes the wallet interface data. 4. Dispute or refund transactions. If your goal is to reverse a payment rather than just hide it, you must contact your bank or the merchant. Contact the merchant. If you purchased something by mistake, request a refund. Apple Pay transactions can usually be refunded just like standard card payments. Contact your bank or card issuer. If a transaction is fraudulent or unauthorized, your bank can reverse or block it. Apple Pay itself cannot erase the transaction. It's the bank that issues the reversal. 5. Check notifications. Apple Pay sends push notifications for each transaction. If you want fewer traces in your notifications, go to Settings, Notifications, Wallet, and Apple Pay. Toggle off notifications for new transactions. This doesn't delete them, but prevents immediate alerts from showing up on your lock screen. 6. iCloud and device management. Transactions are synced across devices using the same Apple ID. Removing a card or hiding transactions on one device may reflect across others. You can also sign out of iCloud to stop syncing wallet data, but this is extreme and generally unnecessary. Let's consider real-world scenarios. Scenario 1. You bought a gift by mistake. The transaction shows up in Apple Pay, and you don't want it visible. You can hide it in Wallet or remove the card. To reverse the payment, contact the merchant or bank. Scenario 2. You're sharing a device with family. You want to prevent them from seeing recent purchases. Hiding transactions or disabling notifications will help. Scenario 3. Fraudulent charges. Apple Pay cannot remove these. You must dispute them with the bank, which will handle the reversal. Important tips for 2025 Apple Pay users. Always keep your devices secure with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to prevent unauthorized purchases. Regularly review your wallet app to check for unknown or suspicious transactions. Remember that hiding is cosmetic. Banks and merchants will always have the official record. For recurring subscriptions, cancel them through the merchant or card issuer rather than relying on hiding transactions. Comparing to other digital wallets. Google Wallet Android also doesn't allow deleting transactions. You can only hide them. PayPal allows you to request refunds, but you cannot erase transactions from your history. Apple Pay's method is consistent with industry standards. Privacy in the app, but permanent financial records externally. Conclusion. Can you delete a transaction on Apple Pay in 2025? The direct answer is no. Apple Pay does not allow deletion of transaction records because the actual payment data lives with your bank or card issuer. However, you can hide transactions in the Wallet app, remove cards to clean up your interface, and manage notifications for a more private experience. If you need to reverse a payment, contact the merchant or your bank, not Apple Pay. Understanding this distinction ensures that you maintain control of your finances without expecting Apple Pay to act as a transactional eraser. In short, for cosmetic management, Apple Pay provides some flexibility, but for true deletion or reversal, your bank and merchant are the authorities. By following the 2025 methods outlined here, you can manage your Apple Pay experience confidently, keep sensitive information private, and handle mistakes or unauthorized charges effectively.